Hello and welcome to our demo. It's going to be demoing Buzzed-In, which is the website we created for job seekers and recruiters. This website helps job seekers and recruiters connect with each other, helps job seekers to find jobs, and to organize their applications to jobs. It also helps recruiters organize their applicants from various job listings that they have, and even more. So this is the home page that you are initially navigated to, and we're going to go ahead and just work through the general, pipeline's general functionality that users have. So we're going to go ahead and create a profile. We're going to start with the job seeker side. So we're going to go ahead and create a job seeker profile. Now, you can for job seekers, they can have a username. So I won't go through all of this, but I won't create a profile right now. But what I'm going to show you is that they have a username, an email, passwords, professional headlines. Something I want to demonstrate real fast is the skills. One of the good things that our program has, if they have a skill that is already in our system, we can list it there. But let's say that there is a new skill that we do not have. The nice thing is that they can go ahead and add that new skill, and that will be in our system. So our website has extensionality that users can have as the years go on and new skills are created. Our website does not get out of date. They can put their education, their work experience, and their LinkedIn profile. And then when they create an account, that account will be created. But I'm going to go ahead and go back here and back again. I'm going to go ahead and log in to a job seeker profile that I already have. And you can see that after you log in, it will be take you to your profile where you can see your skills, your education, any work experience, location that you have, projects, links, and privacy settings. So if a user wants to set it privacy or employers only, they can do that as well. And any connections that they currently have, which I already have some there as a job seeker. But as a job seeker, one of the main primary functions is going to be finding jobs, and we have some job listings that are already created by some recruiters. And so, if we wanted to search for certain jobs, let's say we're looking for a job in Atlanta, Georgia, we can see down here. But let's say there are lots and lots of jobs, and we just like, well, I just want a job, just in Atlanta, Georgia. We're gonna head and match that. We're gonna click on Atlanta, Georgia, and we can see that the job comes up on the map. And if we click on it, we can see exactly where it is. We can see some other jobs, and we can find the more details, and it'll take us right to job 3. Let's go ahead and view a job posting, and we can see that it has its location, its hourly pay, or its pay, and how often that pay occurs. So this is a monthly pay. We can see that we can see the visa sponsorship, the job description, which for now is just job 3. And let's say a user wants to apply to a job. All they have to do is click apply now and submit a note that I have applied. It can be anything. They can personalize their note, but we're just going to leave that a very basic one. And say I've submitted, and we can see that our application for job 3 it now says applied, and we can view this job post if we want to. Um, Going back. And we can also see some other recommended jobs. These recommended jobs are based on skills. We can see that in our profile, recall that we have the skills of AWS and Python. And so when we are trying to find jobs, we can also receive recommendations for jobs based on matching skills. So Python, AWS, and more Python there as well. Now, for the last bit of functionality that we'll go over on the job seeker side, we can also connect with people. These people can be recruiters or they can be job seekers, and they can connect. So we can see that we have already connection. If a user wants to connect, we'll send a request. We'll see that pending, and that job seeker on the other side will see their pending requests in their connections. They'll see if they click on a view profile, they'll see that. And yeah, there we go. Now going on to the recruiter side. So this is our recruiter. and of course we don't have any. We have a pending request from job seeker Kai, or a pending going out request. Excuse me. But we can see that the recruiter has the profile, their website, their description, um, and any quick action that they want to do. Let's go ahead and if we want to post a job, we can see that we have the title of the job, the company, whether we want visa sponsorship, where it is, the payments, and also how often they pay, the description, any related projects they have. If we have an image for it, we can upload that. Required skills, just the same skills, same functionality, excuse me, as demonstrated in the creating a profile. And we can see that in our My Job postings, we have created jobs 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, the nice thing about the recruiter side is, let's say we want to go ahead and view the applicants we have for job 1. All we have to do is go ahead and hit view applicants, and it takes us to this Kanban board. Now, we can see that we have 2 applicants that are currently in our application process. One just recently applied, and one is in the interview stage. Now let's go ahead and say that we have seen that a job seeker has applied, and we're going to start reviewing it. We can click this update status and change it to in review, and go ahead and update that, and that'll move it to this in review, as well as change the number up here. And also, the one of the profiles does not have a location, but for the one that does have a location, we can see that on the map here, and when we click, we can see who it is, and we also can go ahead and view their profile when we need to. We can also delete and create job postings through here, and through any connect, we can also go ahead and do this. The last thing I'll demonstrate real quick are the is the messaging. So if I want to go ahead and message the job seeker too, we can go ahead and send a message through here. Hello, this is a demo message. Go ahead and send that. And then we note this is on the job seeker too, so let's go ahead and quickly just see that. And now, as in job seeker 2, we can also see any connections here. And if we look in the notifications, we can see that the message comes through here, and we can respond to it and say, hello, this is a demo response. Go ahead and send that and go back to our recruiter. And we can see that the notification comes up, and we see, hello, that this is a demo response. So as you can see, our website allows for job recruiters and job seekers to connect, for job recruiters to post jobs, view applicants, edit any jobs that they might need to, delete them, and create them. And as a job seeker, we can see that we can also connect with other job seekers. We can do some filter searching. We can see them on locations, and we can see our applications in a nice, neat view, and organize, and also receive job recommendations based on our skills, so that it's nice and easy for us to find jobs that we are well suited for. So that's going to go ahead and conclude our demonstration. If you want to go ahead and go to the website yourself and go through some of the functionality yourself, the link is at the bottom of our website page, and also will be linked in our overview as well. So thank you very much for watching.